Since 70% of the native bees actually live in the ground, we keep about 1/10 of an acre in a managed grassland where there's goldenrod, little bluestem, aster. We have some bayberry in there too that probably has to be cut down, but it is native. And a lot of other different perennials. And so it's really nice to see how it all kind of comes alive throughout the entire season. Since every crop blooms for about 1.5 weeks, 2 weeks, and you need to make sure that your pollinators have food for the entire season so they don't leave and go searching elsewhere, we always have tons of different flowers blooming. Right here, these are about a few hundred bushes of blueberries. Blueberries are native, so they co-evolved with insects that are here in the United States, so they're pretty easy to grow organically. We are going to be making blueberry jam this year, actually, from these blueberries. And we're about to put in a whole bird netting system over all of it. And right over here in this high tunnel greenhouse, which we haven't put the plastic on yet, we just built it last year, are actually our red raspberries. We won the National Good Food Awards for both our red raspberry and strawberry jam this year. And it looks like we're on board for about harvesting altogether about 3,000 pounds of fruit from our small farm, even though we still have a lot more to go. In here, you see there's quite a few different cultivars of raspberries, and so they don't bloom all at the same time. And really, for our raspberries and for the blueberries, the chief pollinators are bumblebees. Bumblebees are so efficient at pollinating, right? So even at 9 o'clock at night, you can still find bumblebees working the flowers. The mason bees, since they lived really pretty much just for May and June, they are great pollinators of our early spring crops, such as strawberries. And right back here, we have common milkweed. It's just kind of fun. I mean, not only do the deer not like to eat it because of the sappiness of the leaves, but it sure is fun watching all these caterpillars form from it. And, you know, any place that you don't have to mow, to me, is just fabulous. It's actually a new word called mulleting, where you mow your front yard and then you let your back just go crazy.